man isn't my husband. My husband doesn't snore while sleeping. He never shows intimacy.
He has never cared for me like today. Just obey.
How can you skip breakfast? Watching my husband wash dishes? Wow, her husband was swapped for someone else. The man lost his life in a car accident. Unexpectedly, the Reaper made a mistake. Uncle Sol discovered his body was burned. Feeling guilty, the Reaper acted. His family was grieving. The dead man's hand moved, but he ended fainting. The crowd was stunned. He's harsh with his subordinates. Mia has had enough. She never received his care. Devoted chef found himself in a wealthy body.
TV stations raced to report this news.
Bella thought it was a prank. Charlie thought Jason just had amnesia.
Perform a sexy dance to recover.
Back to a place he knew. You made that call yesterday, didn't you? And the family thought he was cursed. The uncertain situation left Uncle feeling helpless,
wondering how this jerk could be so foolish.
Mia brought medicine as innocent and poised. After meeting, Uncle eagerly revealed his story. Staff lined up to welcome him. The once hot-tempered CEO sat silently. The man